I'm Monica. My teammate Sunny and Thaisan couldn't be here tonight. Today I'm going to demo WalkingBuddy. So a while ago, a close friend of mine was walking home from my place in Soma back to her apartment near the Embarcadero. It was nighttime, she was walking alone, and she sensed that somebody was following her from behind. So she reached for her iPhone, and before she could call for help, the attacker ran up to her and mugged her. So nowadays, we all carry smartphones with us. It'd be awesome to leverage the mobile platform for safety use. So WalkingBuddy is a simple and delightful app that transforms your iPhone into a personal safety device. The app allows you to share a trip with your family and friends and broadcast real-time location updates. From the app, you can easily tap into call for help and save critical time in dangerous situations. So let me walk through a typical use case. As you can see, when the user successfully logs in, there's a short onboarding process. Now I can set up my emergency contacts. With a custom contact search bar, this allows me to create a private network consisting of my closest family and friends and people I would like to track, help see me wherever I go. So for this demo, I'm going to choose my roommate, Jessica. She will be my emergency contact. Next, WalkingBuddy allows you to set up custom locations. The two most common locations are work and home. Sometimes I'm walking back home late at night after working late, and I would like my closest family and friends to watch over me. We're using Google Directions API to provide a real-time estimate time for your trip. So from here to Soma, it's approximately 45 minutes. I can also set up work. And again, it's about approximately 41 minutes back to Soma. There's also a mode where I can choose to start a manual trip based on what I believe will be my estimated time. So now I'm going to start a trip. So this is Jessica's phone, and I am mirroring, showing what emergency contacts will receive when a friend is on a trip. So for this purpose, I'm going to simulate. Thank you for tweeting. I'm going to simulate a freeway drive because since I'm not walking around, I'm going to use Simulator to simulate meaningful location data. So let's say that I am taking a walk, and it's approximately going to take me 10 minutes to get home. I'm going to start the trip. So the emergency contact, my friend, receives a SMS using Twilio integration with a unique link where she can view the real-time updates. So here I'm going to use Lyft Wi-Fi to show you what the map looks like. So as you can see, this is a real-time map showing the current direction that the friend is facing and as well as her current whereabouts. Say I run into danger during my walk. Instead of manually texting or making a phone call, I can quickly just tap Help on WalkingBuddy, and my emergency contacts will receive a notification. It says, Monica has indicated they're in danger and needs your help. And similarly, if I were to start a manual trip, if the friend is okay, then the emergency contacts will receive a separate notification indicating that the friend has arrived at their destination safely. So let me just quickly demo that. And it says Monica's okay and has completed her trip. So finally, there's a separate component that I would like to show. While we were designing this app, we kept the user mindset. We focused on the user mindset. So in panic scenarios, we want to make the user experience as frictionless as possible and as easy to use so that there's no mistake when they're using the app and calling for help versus they're okay. So one thing I would like to show is that we've implemented interactive push. And while the friend is on a trip, in the notifications panel, they will receive a notification. And here they can directly call for help or end the trip without re-entering the app. For the last portion, I would like to demo the Apple Watch Companion. If Catherine can help me show this.
You can't see the maps blocking it. The device.
Launch the app from my watch. And as you can see, I can start a trip. And I can call for help. Right now, I don't have meaningful location data because I'm not walking around. My contacts will be notified, or I can start a trip and end the trip. So basically, this app is a way for users to stay connected with their friends and family and have people watch over them constantly. And that concludes the app. So with WalkingBuddy, you never have to walk alone again, and you can be at peace and have safety at your fingertips. Thank you.